Good morning. So today we're going to talk quickly about how you can create a simple website for your plumbing business in just a matter of a minute. So I'm going to share my screen and walk you right through this process. So I am on the mightysites.com website, and all I would do is click on Start Free Trial or Launch as two quick ways to begin building my website. Now, you'll see down here, plumbing is one of the business types that's available through this system. So if I look right here, you can also just click on plumber and it'll take you right into the flow to build your plumbing business website. Now, I'm already logged into the back end, so I'll just show you from the back end of the system. Same experience you'd have where you type in the information on clicking Get Started. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to find plumber. That's the type of business I'm building a website for. I'll type in my business name, say Quality Plumbing. So here's my business right here. Click Continue. Now I can see the information right here and I can click Update Information if I want to, or I can click on Update Hours, change the hours. Super easy to do. If everything looks good, I just click Looks Good, Next, and the system will automatically, using artificial intelligence, have images pre-done for you, all your website copy written for you, and you have a simple professional plumbing business website ready to go. So I can scroll through this. If everything looks good, I just click Activate, and that's where it'll prompt me and ask me for my credit card. It's only $9 a month. That includes hosting and everything for the brand new, simple, professional plumbing business website. Click on Activate Now. And this is where it takes me to the section where I can update the site, which is super easy to do. So if I want to change or add any social media links, I just click to add them here. If I want to update this section and maybe change the image, I can just click here and update the image, click save when I'm done and close it. If I want to rewrite any of the text, I can just jump right in here, rewrite the text, and it'll show up right there on my screen, on my website. If I want this contact button to, let's say, I want it to automatically call me if somebody clicks on contact, I can switch it to my phone number for my business, which will already be there. Click save. And now when they click on the contact button, it'll automatically call my business. Can change any photos, services, information. But if everything looks good, I'm ready to just simply connect my domain and launch my new plumbing business website. It's that easy and simple to create a professional website for your business using Mighty Sites.